The Caudwell Marine Drive system totally rewrites the rulebook on how to get efficiency to the propeller in the water. Our challenge was to develop a completely fresh, brand new product lineup that could catapult the marine industry into a far higher efficiency space and improve the boating experience for the end user. We met this challenge with the Caudwell Marine Drive Propulsion system, a culmination of years of research and development to find a better way for you to enjoy quality time on the water. We call it our Total Efficiency Package. The Axis Drive delivers its power to the propeller in the most amazing way. The turning axis revolves around the drive shaft input axis, much like a pod drive, while still allowing trim and tilt function. And it does this without articulating the engine and without a universal joint. The drive gear train allows the drive to turn in the yaw plane around the engine's input axis and allows the trim and tilt action to happen around the reduction gear axis, hence the name Axis Drive. And what about that gleaming futuristic exterior? Well, the Axis Drive is constructed from surgical-grade stainless steel, inside and out, which results in lower drag, so no more paint wear and you can wave goodbye to corrosion. Providing the motive power to the gear train is our Infinity-based V6 and V8 series gasoline engines. Our total efficiency package now includes the V6 300 horsepower, V8 350 horsepower and 400 horsepower TT-DI range of diesel engines. No thought has been spared in creating a new benchmark in low-emission, high-performance technology. We call it our Sustainable Efficiency Package. Operating off the legendary Range Rover platform, the Caudwell Marine diesel engines meet EPA Tier 2 and European Recreational Craft Directive emission standards. Tested for hundreds of hours, the twin-turbo variable vane geometry engines provide class-leading durability, highest torque and power-to-weight ratio, fuel efficiency, lowest emissions, smooth power, safer handling. The power delivery is as impressive as it is smooth. The 400 horsepower V8 provides excellent power-to-weight ratio off the 450 kilogram compressed carbon iron block, the lightest engine in its class. Torque performance is outstanding as it produces a massive 720 Newton meters at 4,000 RPM with the parallel sequential turbo boosting system, which means immediate response for the operator at low engine speeds. Once in gear, power is transmitted through the industry's highest tolerance hard-cut spiral bevel and helical gears, and gear ratios can easily be changed from a class-leading 2.68 to 1 to as low as 1.88 to 1, depending on your application. And it does all this with extremely low power loss. The Axis Drive has an oil pump, just like your car's engine, which means oil is circulating through the drive, getting to all the right places in the right quantities, and is not wasting energy churning away in an oil bath. This means we give you more power quietly and smoothly where it matters, at the propeller. But that's not all. The uniquely angled drive delivers up to 20% more space than stern drives, and no more outboards to get in your way. But it simply wouldn't be a Caudwell Marine Drive if we didn't put the fun and the power where it belongs, right in your hands. Is it possible for such good looks to have a brain? You bet, and then some. Caudwell Marine's unique approach to managing the power and functionality of the drive combines human factors with electronic and mechanical interfacing, resulting in an intelligent system that is constantly thinking about how to improve overall efficiency, safety, and performance. We call it vertical intelligence architecture, a thread of DNA that runs through the drive from top to bottom. Through our vertical intelligence, you'll get your hands on all the power and control you'll ever need. That's why we've created a fully digital, fully integrated trim and tilt throttle finished in solid stainless steel with functionality that is class-leading. Not only can you trim twin engines off one control simultaneously, you can synchronize them at the touch of a button. The handling is spectacular and safe, and our integral dual hydraulic power steering system delivers a class-leading 32 degrees either side. This unique and patented trim-down geometry eradicates cavitation and the need to trim down during turns. Even when trimmed up and running fast, you can safely turn the wheel without touching the trim. No cavitation and very safe. Amazing. But don't try that with any outboard or stern drive. While some installations take 5 hours, the Caudwell Marine Drive installs in an incredible half an hour because it's delivered as a complete unit. Simply insert the complete unit into the hull and tighten the bolts. Connect your steering, fuel lines, and plug in the electrics. And off you go. Maintenance is a no-brainer. Our dry sump drive has a dipstick which doubles as the fill port. To drain, simply undo the plug at the prop exhaust outlet. Engine oil, even simpler. Here is the external drain, or if changing oil while the boat is moored, the fill pipe is big enough and low enough to suck it all out. All access points for engine coolant, hydraulic fluids and oil filter are on the front and easily accessible. And all this is covered by our stainless warranty, unsurpassed by any other OEM. We also have the marine world's most sophisticated downloadable diagnostics. So wherever you are, we'll be able to get rapid solutions to meet your service and support requirements. Caudwell Marine is here for the long run. We will never stop innovating and inventing new ways to give the boating world next generation technology. If you are one of those rare individuals who can see and understand a vision, who truly hungers for excellence in all its aspects, then we are the right propulsion partner for you. The Caudwell Marine Axis Drive Propulsion System. Come drive the future with us.